Keyboard 4 le fait à la perfection.
This message is for all people in Faubourg Saint-Germain. This message is requested by French Healthcare. This is not a test. We have received reports of a cookie seller having parts of skin in his/her cookies. We advise to avoid the seller. The seller looks like Ginger, from the Roblox video game, Dandy's World. Due to this, cases of Staphylococcus aureus have risen. If you experience the symptoms listed below, go to your nearest hospital. Skin infections can look like pimples or boils. Bone infections can cause pain, swelling, warmth, and redness in the infected area. Endocarditis causes some flu-like symptoms, fever, chills, and fatigue. Food poisoning typically causes nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. French healthcare is urging medical companies to increase the production of Staphylococcus aureus treatments. This is all of the information we have.
Il y a très longtemps au Pays Basque, le fils d'un berger eut l'idée d'utiliser son petit panier d'osier pour fabriquer un fromage unique. Fier de son fromage, il le fit partager.
This message is issued by the request of the Paris Police Prefecture. This is not a test. This message is for everyone in Paris. A mutated version of Staphylococcus aureus has been detected. It has killed a lot of people in the past week. It has resistance to Staphylococcus aureus treatments. Please evacuate Paris immediately. Please wear a mask during evacuation. For more info, please visit FrenchHealthcare.com. Liberty, equality, fraternity. This message is requested by the Paris Police Prefecture. This is not a test. The spread of the mutated version of Staphylococcus aureus has been stopped. We have given the variant a name. The variant is called PAX12. PAX12 has worse symptoms than the normal Staphylococcus aureus. We are trying to make a vaccine for it. For more information, go to FrenchHealthcare.com.